Hi everyone, today we're going to work on a proportion question that is very common in exams. Many students, when they look at this, they get really scared because they don't really know how to start on this. So let's just go through the question first. Y is directly proportional to x squared. X is increased by 100%. Find the percentage increase in Y. So sometimes teachers actually teach students to use ratio to find an answer. But for me, I personally prefer to use the definition method. So before I go on to solving this question, I will actually want to introduce to you another question. This one. So it says y is directly proportional to x squared. When x equals to 1, y equals to 4. When x equals to 2, find the percentage increase in y. This question is actually a much easier question because you are actually given the values of x and y. So let's proceed to solve this question, and then after that we will see how it is related to the first question. So first step, what we're going to do is that we're going to identify and write down the equation connecting x and y. Then after that, we are going to sub in the value of x and y inside the equation. So we get 4 equals to k square, so k equals to 4. So once we find the value of k, we are going to substitute back into the original equation so that we get an equation without k. In the previous question, we are supposed to find the percentage increase in y. So for us to find the percentage increase, we need the new value of y. So we're going to sub in the new value of x to get the new value of y. So where x equals to 2, y equals to 4, 2 squared, so I'll get 16. So 16 is the new value of y. To find the percentage change, okay, do not be scared about this, but it's actually very easy. It's just new value minus the old value over the base value, which is the old value. And then you times 100% because you're looking for the percentage change. So I get the new is 16 minus 4 over 4 times 100%. I will get 12 over 4, which is 300. So the percentage increase in y is actually 300%. So in order to solve the first kind of question, it is actually very similar to solving the second kind of question. So let's look at the steps used to solve any proportion questions. Number 1, we're going to form an equation showing the relationship between x and y. Next, we substitute in the first set of value of x and y to find k. After that, we form the new equation with the known value of k. Lastly, we substitute the new value of x to find the new value of y. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to apply these steps into the first kind of question. So number 1, form an equation showing the relationship between x and y. So y equals to kx squared. Number 2, we need the first set of value of x and y. In this question, we are not given any x and y value, so we're going to let x be equals to x1 and y be equals to y1. Take note that you have to write the subscript 1 because x and y are variables, so they can take on different values in the question. However, x1 and y1, they are constant, means they are fixed. So the third step, what we're going to do is that we have to find k by substituting the x and the y value inside. So let's go on to find that. So k is actually y1 over x1 squared. So this is the third step, find k. After we're done with k, we need to substitute this value into the equation. So y equals to y1 over x1 squared. Okay, I want to emphasize that this value here is actually a constant. So after we're done with this, we are going to sub in the new value of x. So x is increased by 100%, means that x becomes 2x1, twice of the original x value. This involves a little bit of algebra, and you do have to remember to bracket the 2x1. Then this will become 4x1 squared because the square is actually shared between the 2 and x1. After that, you can cancel the common terms and you get 4y1. So this is actually the new value of y. So to find the percentage change, it's actually, let me repeat, the new minus the old value over the old value times 100%. So new value is actually 4y1, old value is actually y1. y1 that we have indicated just now. So you get 3y1 over y1. So guess what? This is 300%. So it is actually not that difficult if you do it by definition and follow the steps that you will usually do when dealing with the basic question. So let's just recap. What are the steps involved? Number one, we have to form an equation involving x and y. Then after that, we have to substitute the first set of values of x and y. So let it be x1 and y1. After that, find k. Once we're done with k, we will form the new equation. And lastly, we will substitute in the new value of x to find the new value of y. So if you are clear, I have a question for you to work on. Y is now inversely proportionate to x squared. X is increased by 200%. Find the percentage increase in y. So this is the solution. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope it's been helpful for you. Bye-bye.